So let's talk about where do we use these 3D models, right? How is it that we show them? How is it that we use them? Because I've collaborated with my internal, and now I want to show them either to my customers, as in a digital showroom, with business to business sales. I may want to show it to my consumers, as in digital selling with business to customers. And if for, let's say, high end or the real designing end of things, I might want to create a digital fashion show. So here, this is an online world where I have created a digital catalog. Okay, I can look at the style. I can look at it in 3D. This is once the style is finished. This is a platform. I can create from the things on offer. I can create my favorite, the things I like. And I can view what I've selected as my assortment or my wish list. Okay, and in the 3D, when I have a real 3D object, the person on the other end that I've posted this to can examine in full detail and zoom and look at every detail of the product. And again, this is why we have fewer mistakes, because you can have a really clear view of what you're looking at before we produce this. So here is the selections I've made for the delivery in April. This is another delivery in March. Okay, all of this is managed through the online digital showroom, which is a different application than the 3D model itself. Okay, but here is a business application of using my 3D models for sell-through to my other business customers. Now, what about digital selling? Wouldn't it be nice if I could produce this product in 3D and have my model and have it appear on a person for actual selling through? Because as you saw in my 3D software, I have an avatar, I have a virtual body. Okay, this is possible, and this is how we can reach consumers, and I'll give you an example of how this works. There is an add-on to browseware software by a company called Metail, based in the UK. And this company developed a software where I can have a photo. If you look here, I have a photo, and you see the photo, it's in the same body pose as my 3D avatar. And I can make a photo composition of this position and this image on a real human. And this way, again, this has never been produced, but I'm visualizing this on what looks like a real person. But this dress has never been made. But these photographs are good and can be used for selling to the consumer. These look like the photos that you see in many online shopping that you do. Okay, and when I have this kind of models, these, again, all of these are not, they've never been produced. This is this technology that takes the 3D result and composes it onto a photo of a live model. When I have this, there are other tools I can use to predict and to verify what will sell, where my best sellers will be, and what my possible flops would be. And I can test things like pricing, like how much would this sell for? How many people would buy this at this price? Okay, all of this comes from starting with a 3D digital prototype. So when I have this feedback and I have what's called the voice of the customer, when I have this before I produce something, before I even make it, while I'm still at my ideas, the usual scenario that we all know, that we design something, we produce it, and then we sell or hope to sell it, it becomes we design it, we sell it, and then we produce it. And this, of course, also leads to higher sustainability. which is a very, very big issue in the fashion industry, as we all know. Okay, so this is a really what we call a paradigm shift. We change the whole business model from design, produce, hope to sell, to design, sell, and produce. Now I'm going to show you a third area, which is the digital fashion shows. And this is pretty exciting. I'm going to show you a video by Dinara Sadikova. She's one of our speakers today, so you'll be able to hear from her. This is a digital, she was invited to show her collection at a fashion show in Athens earlier this year. And the fashion show was not going to be live. So Dinara decided to show her collection digitally. And she produced the whole thing digitally.